Hey, welcome to Basic English, week number 4. This week we are finishing Chapter 8, Can I Take a Message? Making sure that you know about messages and the important information. And we'll be starting Chapter 9, How Was It? Which is talking about activities and events. How was the weather? You went shopping. How was it? Was it good? Was it bad? How was work? Things like that. We'll discuss that in class, and it should be a good week. And this week I'm sporting the Balthus knot. This is a big fat knot. See, it's really much larger than a normal knot. So it's really good for wearing with a vest. Kind of blocks up this area. Looks really nice. And I hope you like it. And I'll see you in class. So thanks for your time, and I'll see you later. Stay tuned for more ties and tips.